had no beers on the weekend and I substituted with lemonade. I'm like, well, obviously I didn't drink fucking 12 cans of lemonade, but you know, if I felt like beer, I'd have a can of lemonade. But now I think I'm having fucking sugar withdrawals because, man, I could really use a can of lemonade. Just a bit of a weird side effect that I didn't expect. 3:50 AM. Couldn't help myself. I just had to. I was fucking going crazy. It's a weird feeling. It was, yeah. Anyway, something to consider. I don't know if it's sugar or I just wanted a bit of energy. I don't know. But I had to have a lemonade anyway. 10 o'clock Monday morning. Still not fucking sleeping real good. Don't have a choice. I'm gonna have to crack one of these. I'm fucked. Which is a bit annoying because it's Monday and it's been a pretty cruisy weekend. But yeah, I guess I'm still not sleeping 100%. So better than crashing. Just went and did some shopping because I'm trying to keep full. Because for some reason when I pull up and I'm hungry, I always grab the beer. Just went and got some tuna tins, some bread. See how that goes. One thing I didn't realise about swapping beer for lemonade is because you can drink it driving, you will drink it driving. Like I'm just craving a lemonade, like I'm about to start shaking. So grabbed one. Obviously I'd never do that with a beer. Got to be zero in a truck, so. But don't know. See, I find it easier to give up sugar than alcohol, so yeah. Just washed the truck. I haven't had a can yet. It's pretty rare. Normally I do it with a can, so I'm winning. Truck's parked in the driveway, ready to go for tomorrow. Time for a lemon squash instead of a beer. At home tonight, so I tend to sleep a bit better at home, so that's pretty cool. Got my little friend there. Yeah, felt like a beer when I washed the truck, but don't really feel like one now, so yeah, had pub squash and a lemonade and good to go. See you tomorrow. Day 7, it's been a week. Couldn't sleep last night. Wasn't editing a video, didn't get to bed till about 9:30, then when I went to bed I couldn't sleep. Then when I fell asleep I slept through my alarm for half an hour, so running half an hour late, but yeah. Anyway, the joys of it. The joys of not being able to sleep, I guess. Just pulled up a yarn. I'm gonna hit the bunk and try and sleep again. Seeing as how I couldn't sleep last night, and I couldn't sleep at fucking 4 o'clock this morning, I didn't go to bed. Did go to sleep till like 4:30, 4:45 this morning, and then I slept in again 15 minutes past my alarm, so it's 7:15 and I'm just getting loaded. Far out, this no sleep's fucking killing me. 6:30, pulled up at Geelong, still off the cans, about to go in, grab a shower and grab a lemon squash, I think. Yeah, it's alright today actually. I was even working in the city and yeah, normally that just fucking stresses me out. But yeah, it's alright. So might need some chocolate tomorrow if I'm doing that again though. Thought I'd do something cool as I walk to the shower. see how many cool trucks are pulled up at the truck stop today. I mean, I think that was the coolest, but that's because that's what I drive. Well, yeah, very cool 90. DAF car carrier, Volvo car carrier, Friggy, nice. Prezioso always got nice trucks. Had me shower, pulled up, cooking me dinner. Know what that means? Time for a lemon squash. It's day 7 done and dusted. Oh, feeling good, but still can't fucking sleep properly. So we'll see how we go tonight. Doing some editing and stuff. About to hit the bunk. It's 9 o'clock. Half hour past my bedtime, but you can't sleep, you can't sleep. So, alright. I know the smokers put on weight when they quit, but I reckon I'm going to put on a shitload of weight because I'm fucking hungry all the time. Like, I just had 2 sandwiches. Normally I have bloody chocolate milk in the morning. That does me to dinner time, so interesting anyway. 3 AM Thursday morning. Just pulled up at Yarram. Still fucking can't get to sleep. Yeah, probably didn't. I went to bed about 8:30 last night. Didn't go to sleep till about 10, quarter past 10. And then because it took me so long to get to sleep, I didn't wake up till fucking 1:30 and I was at home. So I was running an hour late this morning. Yeah, don't know what I can do to fix it, but it's getting fucking annoying. Alright, well that was interesting. I just come through the city. Normally I get so fucking nervous going through the city because of anxiety and shit. So that wasn't too bad. I was on the phone to my best mate, just cruising. It was fucked. Traffic was fucked from Berwick to basically the West Gate. But I didn't get too carried away, so I don't know if not drinking's got something to do with that, or it's just on the phone to my best mate and that was enough to chill me out, sort of thing. But yeah, interesting. Yeah, just had to pull up for fucking make a sandwich and grab some chocolate because I was starting to get stressed, so Chucky helps me calm down. How fucking yeah! Going from Ballarat, Colac up to Ballarat, and drag challenge is coming back the other way. Past 3 fucking awesome cars so far. I'll see if I can get some on camera. But fuck yeah. Now I remember why I fucking drive trucks. That's fucking awesome. just turned off to take a shortcut. Highly doubt they're going to send drag cars down this road. I think I only managed to catch 2 because, yeah, my camera wouldn't work. But anyway, that was so cool. If you did drag challenge and you happen to stumble across this video, just know that you made my week. It was so awesome seeing the few cars I've seen. Just pulled up in Biak on Thursday night. What a day. Got to see some drag challenge cars. That was awesome. Didn't get to film many of them, but it was fucking awesome just seeing them. Probably should have kept going a little bit, but I only had bloody about 2 minutes left, so I didn't think I was going to make it anywhere else. But there's a pub just down the road, but I'll avoid that. Park here, cook some dinner, and yeah, because I've seen some drag challenge cars. Time for a lemon squash. Got me dinner on. Main Street of Biak. They farm windmills out here. Rubbity's all the way down there. But I'm definitely not going to it. I'm going to try going to bed early. It's only 8 o'clock. Normally I go to bed about 8:30, but we'll see what happens. See you tomorrow. There's no drinking's really no good for me sleep, but yeah. Anyway, it's 9:30 now, and been trying for an hour and a half to get to sleep. Nothing's working. Can't send it because of electronic logbooks. Otherwise, I just go to Ballarat and come back to fucking Colac. But I can't because of electronic logbooks for safety. 10:30. There ain't no sleep happening. Gonna have a lemonade. Thanks to these stupid fucking things, I can't even fucking go driving. I am so over electronic logbooks. They are the dumbest thing. 3 AM Friday morning. Got to sleep last night at about 11:15, 11:30, so I had 2 hours sleep and then went to work. But I'm actually not tired, which is a bit concerning given I've only had 2 hours sleep, but I feel fine at the moment. So yeah, interesting. So yeah, this week's been interesting. I haven't really wanted to beer too much. I'm sure that'll change when I get home tonight, but yeah, see how we go. I've got to go to a place I absolutely fucking hate being there, so that's gonna be interesting. Like, if I have to go there not for work, I go there drunk because I hate it that much. But yeah, very interesting. It's been interesting this week. Very interesting. Once again, because I got fuck all sleep last night, and I have to have one of these to get home. Otherwise, I'm not going to make it home tonight. Which is a bit annoying that I can't sleep, but yeah. Anyway, it's all part of the journey, I guess. Yeah. Good productive afternoon. Still no beer. Servicing the ute. Normally I'd do it with a beer. Solo today. Fully frothing a froth tonight, I won't lie. But did get that serviced. Did get that ready to go. Did get the camper ready to go. All hooked up in case there's a bushfire. Jesus, I am frothing a froth. Fuck, I'd love a beer.